The following is a real-life story posted after the fact. I am traveling for several weeks tomorrow and hear this noise from the toilet. I installed this Korky 528X fill valve in October 2022, just a little over a year ago. I have not had any problems until now. After every flush, it now leaks water into the overflow tube. It went from being perfectly fine to non-stop leaking. Here are some additional gurgling noises it makes after fill-up. At this point, like most people, I either called a plumber or DIY replaced the entire fill valve. However, I remembered there was a 10-year warranty, so I contacted support. They sent me a troubleshooting video, and I'll tell you right now, it's not as easy as it looks. The valve cover does not simply unclip that easily. You gotta pry with pressure in the right spot or the whole thing cracks. Same with removing the cap, which was shown as twisting it loose by hand. Bullshit. I had to use a sizable wrench, which many people might not have sitting around. Again, go too ham and it will crack. It's plastic. The white strainer looks good, it's not gunked up. Now, look under the cap. Notice the imprint that looks like a sun. Apparently, that's no good. I send this to support and they said the cap assembly needs to be replaced. Fine. I ask how soon can it get here? 7 to 10 business days. But I'm flying out tomorrow. So great, now I got to take a break from packing, run to Home Depot and buy a spare valve so I can swap over the cap. They do sell just a cap, but good luck finding one on a time crunch. Here's how a new and worn cap looked like for comparison. So yes, support was good, no issues there. Quick response and helpful. My gripe is with the product itself. Yes, I can shut off the fill line or the wall supply and deal with it when I return. Assuming the shutoff isn't busted like many. The point is, what if this started leaking a day after I left? It wasn't a slow leak by any means. I would not know about this until I came back weeks later. Like many, I was introduced to Korky after hearing how much better they are compared to competitors like Fluid Master. I bought into the hype as well, and the initial impressions were good based on the build quality. It does look much better than your typical fill valve. But they need maintenance, and who the hell maintains fill valves? Case in point, this Fluid Master has been here since 2017 when I moved in. I have not touched it once or had to maintain jack shit. Eventually it will make weird noises, fill up slow, and all the typical problems. And those symptoms usually come on gradually. It doesn't just stop working like the Korky did. At that point, I just chuck it and buy a new one. I should not be having to maintain a fill valve every year. I have a second Korky installed in the hall bath, which predates the one upstairs. For some reason, this one outlasted it. Same amount of usage. For the most part, they look identical, but this one says 528 without the X. Maybe I just got a defective one. But online searches show that this seal is a common issue. Imagine if the seals in your car went out every year. I will keep an eye out for this one as well, and make an update video if it craps out again. Share your thoughts below. Have you had issues with your Korky 528 or 528X? Let us know. I hope this helps someone out there today. Please take care and see you all next time.